Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Android version and making a quick backup of fonts or launcher settings. Once done, enable installation from unknown sources if you use an APK. Otherwise, open Play Store and install Zfont directly. You will need basic storage permission and access to your device's font settings. Make sure you have an iOS-style font file ready, ttf/otf. Start Zfont and grant the requested permissions, so the app can manage fonts and themes. Now you import the iOS font file into Zfont using the Import or Local feature. You'll see options: System Font, Emoji, or Launcher Font. Select System to change UI typeface or Launcher for home screen only. Zfont shows several installation methods. Pick the one matching your device. Magisk module if rooted, root method, or legacy APK replacement for non-root. Tap Apply, follow prompts, and allow the app to reboot or restart the launcher. When prompted, so changes take effect smoothly. Finish by rebooting the device and scanning through apps, settings, and notifications to confirm the iOS font applied consistently. If you spot missing glyphs or fallback fonts, switch installation method in Zfont and reapply. For rooted phones, try the Magisk module instead. If the UI becomes unstable, immediately restore your backup or revert the font in Zfont, clear system and launcher cache, then retry. One key troubleshooting tip: incompatible font files cause issues. Use verified iOS TTF/OTF and test with a launcher before committing system-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.